Okay, so a bunch of you pointing out price line. Yeah, the move on price line was, check this out. You know, love this. It's down a little bit, right? Little candlestick right there. Now, that move may not be enough to get us through the spread. 62.50, so let me just take a look here real quick. Oh yeah, no, it did. The 20 that I accidentally bought, I'm up $4,800. I seriously was not trying to buy 20. And then the 62.50 that I bought one on, I'm up 620 bucks on one contract. Okay, so yeah, the spread was obstreperous. I mean, it was just ridiculous. But I'm not going to let that hold me back from what is a good pattern. That break below the first 5-minute candlestick with where we were on the daily charter price line, you know, said, yeah, you know, go for it. Give this a shot. Now it's a day trade. This is a post-earnings play. So it is a day trade. And as a day trade, I can do things like, you know, pick this option up now up 770, set up my sell order, go to my 1-minute charts, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, or daily, whichever one you're using there. And I'm starting to see that a little bit of bullishness coming in. Buyers are trying to step in here. They're not having a lot of success with it. I'm not going to count a lot on the Bollinger Bands here because this $100 gap is definitely going to skew and affect my Bollinger Bands for a while, and the Bollinger Bands have to catch up to the volatility here. Okay? I'm watching the rest of the market, see if there's anything else that's showing up, but 1,300 bucks on that one contract. A little bit of a bounce. So now all I'm waiting for is I'm playing the candlesticks. If I get a bounce on the 1-minute candlestick here that goes above this previous bearish candlestick, then I'll use that as an early exit for this one contract, right? I mean, we got the one contract here, and I'm just looking for that bullish engulfing candlestick on the 1-minute to tell me that, yeah, we may start to move into the body of the 5-minute, and I've got to manage that appropriately. Remember, this is a day trade. Buyers are undoubtedly going to come in at some point and see price line as a bargain down here and begin to want to buy into this. May happen today, may happen a week from now, but the buyers will come in, and I want to make sure that I trade this correctly. So I know a lot of you guys are saying stuff, you know, Apple, a little bit of a bounce there, Amazon's going sideways. Nice fill the gap on Facebook. My focus right now is entirely and exclusively on this trade, right? Why is that? Because it can move very quickly, right? I was waiting for somebody to say because you got profit, and I was going to be mad at you. It's not because I've got profit, right? It's because this stock can move very quickly. And this is a day trade, right? So I need to manage this as a day trade. Profit is never a technical indicator. A technical indicator is a technical indicator. Candlesticks getting smaller on the 1-minute chart can be a technical indicator. Volume starting to dry up can be a technical indicator. The look of the 5-minute chart, right? So these are the things that I need to be looking at. And guys, when you're trading price line, you know, especially as a day trade, but when you're trading price line, it requires your focus and attention. So we're focused and attentive right now. We trade above this doji, I'm out of the trade. If we don't trade above the doji, so right now, for all intents and purposes, there it is right there, out and out. All right, so now I can go in and look on my 20 contract position. It was 16,000. And on my one contract position, $1,230. Quick little trade there using what we're taught, and that's that break below the first 5-minute candlestick. And, you know, could it be that I got out too early? That's fine. I'll wait for a retracement, let some things settle down a little bit. But not too bad. I mean, you know, made $16,000 on one paper trade. What was it? Was it 16 or 10, 12, 13? I don't remember. 16,000. I'm done. I'll talk to y'all later.